I've been driving by this place, and every time it's just fascinating to me how much they're building. It started off as fields there, using a bunch of heavy equipment, some of this and other equipment, to put the sewer lines in that you can see, sewer and water drainage. Put it in, then they put the roads in, electric and utilities and such, internet. Put the roads, put the sidewalks. I see them putting sprinklers in on the sides. And then they have a company coming in here. This is Oakwood Homes, Berkshire Hathaway, Warren Buffett related. They drop off these panels that are pre-made. The walls looks like something like 3/8 inch plywood, looks in 2x6s for the outside walls. They throw these in, throw these up, have a bunch of houses and such on the side here, or the framing of the house basically. Then they come in, put the foundations in that you can kind of see right over. You can see one of the foundations right there, and build these houses. This is like a few days, a couple of months for all. This is about 7 houses right now. It takes a couple of days to put the framing in that you can see. And then they put the windows and the siding on, put the windows, and then they put the siding like you see there. Just a whole process there. These are 2-car garage roughly. You can kind of see there. Most of the living is above it, roughly 3 bedrooms. Some kind of living area on the bottom floor that you can kind of see those side windows by the garage. Some of them are 3 bedroom, or 3 levels I mean, which you can kind of see poking up back there. And they're about 450,000, less than 2,000 square feet. Like I said, about 3 bedroom, and they are just selling as well. It's been fascinating seeing this whole process and seeing how much they're building and continue to be building. There's another one that's being put up, and there was some landscaping being done behind them. Anyway, I thought this whole building process has been insane in seeing how they're moving down market. There was another neighborhood behind that were more expensive. They slowed down. They're not hardly building. And they've just been continuing like crazy on these more expensive places. And it kind of shows me, I heard about expensive homes selling, the market only being expensive in $1 million mansions. But it seems like to me that they have a whole process where once the expensive homes stop or slow down selling, they build these little bit less expensive houses. And there's another area with even less expensive houses that are even smaller. And it's been fascinating how they just fill these neighborhoods out, plow them from a field to a built houses in a relatively short amount of time. Most of these, like I said, it's like 2 months, these 7 houses. And it's fascinating to see.